Yes, your design sucks, but the good thing is we can fix it together. In this video, I will talk about 5 things that needs to be improved to take your designs one step up. So let's get started. The most important thing in your website is your fonts. You should be careful when choosing the fonts because fonts matter. A sentence written in different font style gives different meaning. Therefore, choose your font according to your website and the project. Some good fonts that looks good on almost every website are Poppins, Lato, OpenSense, and Montserrat. Let me ask you a question. What do you see on the screen? It's almost impossible to read this, right? One more time. What is it now? You said it right. The first example had a bad contrast ratio, making it impossible to read the text. When designing your websites, make sure to have a good contrast between background and the foreground. Chances are the text is visible to you, but it might not be visible to some of your users. To fix this problem, make the contrast ratio according to the web standard. A good resource to check the contrast ratio is colors.com, which tells you the ratio between the colors. The more the ratio is, the better the contrast is. Colors can make or break your website. Choosing the right color is crucial. Every color has a meaning. For example, the color blue presents loyalty, trust, and faith. 2 things. Pick a suitable color, something that fits for your project. Pick a good color scheme. A good resource for that is Color Hunt, which has tons of color schemes and you can use any one of them. Icon gives your website a whole new level, but you should be careful when using them. Going with inconsistent icons can backfire. For example, using a mix of flat, colored, and outlined icons can give a bad impression. It is best to stick to one type, such as outlined, and only use that in your websites. Consider yourself with 10 people in a small lift. How would you feel? Most probably you will suffocate. Your design suffocate too when you don't have enough white space. You should generously use white space to make it easy for the users to make decisions and go through the layout. Here is an example. A cluttered design. Everything is way too close. Now consider this one, having enough white space. Which one do you think looks good? Of course, the second one, which has enough white space. Similarly, giving enough white spaces in your website also makes it look good. So that is it for today. If you like the content, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such content.